Hey guys, it's Cassie and today we have a luxury haul. I'd like to formally apologise for the lighting in this video that you're about to watch. Forgive me please, I'm still trying to figure out the lighting here, and obviously the natural lighting and the artificial lighting were not friends. So, forgive me, enjoy. It is well and truly summer. Okay, so a lot of these are very seasonally appropriate items and whatnot. We're going to have a good time. Links will be below as usual. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. Now, as you may have been able to tell, the majority of the items in today's video is from Farfetch. Farfetch is a friend of the channel. They've been with us for a long time, and we know and love them, and I've got a code for you. If you didn't know, Farfetch is an online platform that basically connects us, the consumer, to boutiques, department stores, brands all over the world, puts them on one place. So when you make an order, hello, good morning to you too, sir. Your items are dispatched from all over the world. And because of that, it means that you see such a wide range of items. I am constantly discovering new brands, new things on Farfetch that I haven't seen anywhere else when I do my scrollies on the new in section. Also have a homeware section. I grabbed a piece, and also beauty on there too. Farfetch Beauty is new, and they do have some items on there that are only exclusive to Farfetch online. So like, I think Off-White Beauty. My code is on the screen, T's and C's apply, they will be below, and there are some brand exclusions, but of the items that I've shopped today, none of these brands are excluded, so maybe I may be able to help with some inspiration. Thank you so much to Farfetch for sponsoring this video. Go forth and use the code. We are going to start off with, this big box down here. Now, as you know, I've moved to New York, and with that has come a lot of walking, more than I ever do. And because of that, I've really found which of my designer sneakers are comfortable for long periods of being on one's feet and which aren't quite cutting it. I've got the blisters and bruises to prove. So, as you know, I've been thinking about a pair of off-white sneakers for a little while now. My mother approved the purchase, and I finally went ahead and got them, also because a lot of people who had them, some of you guys, had slid into my DMs saying, oh my gosh, they're so comfortable, blah, blah, blah. I saw the colour I wanted, I saw them, I liked them, I added to cart. These are the out of office sneaker, all white, and then you have full walking here. You've got these little sort of gum accents. Give us the front, show us the front. Do you see her? You've got the little shoelaces detail. You see this little like off-white embossing as well. Oh, love that. Debossing, debossing. Oh my gosh. Obviously with all of these things on, it's like a, do you keep it on, do you take it off? I'm gonna keep it on. Oh no, it pops on and off. It pops on and off very easily. What I have clip-clopped around in the house to try these on to make sure that these were the right size. Very, very comfy, huge padded tongue. All of the inside is nice and padded. So if you are somebody who wants to walk everywhere or lives in a city where you walk and all of that, these are a good option. I got a size 39 and these fit perfectly. They do like different colours of the full walking ones. They do ones that don't say full walking, but the arrow has got some different colours and all of that. So do have a look, have a go. And if you're in the market for some sneakers, Off-White is not going to let you down. I picked mainly all white because they're going to go with everything, but still I wanted a pop. I wanted a little bit of something. Okay, so the next purchase was a homeware purchase, and I really haven't taken advantage of Farfetch's homeware section before. But what with me trying to get home decor and all of that business, I went wandering with my eyes, and I came across this really cute, it's a set of 2 teacups, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, little teacups, look at the gold detailing. You're seeing the gold work. Also, these are dishwasher friendly. You know, with gold stuff, it's always like, oh god, am I going to be able to put them in the dishwasher? Because some of us are lazy, and these are just absolutely chic, adorable. You know what, it kind of reminds me of like a little bit leopard printy, but not quite. I'm sorry. I didn't even bring any teacups with me. I'm a terrible British person. How dare I? I don't even have a teapot. I know, shocking, okay? These are very, very cute. They come in a set of 2. So I have 2 friends here. Love them. These are from the brand Les Ottomans, and these are the Uzbek cup sets. So maybe, I don't know, there's some sort of like Uzbek influence in this. I don't know, but I love them. You know what? We're all about elevating everyday moments. If I've got my little cup of tea and she's very cute, I'm like, oh, what a little elevated moment. Love it. The next item I'm very excited about, okay, because I saw this, and the thing is that on first glance you're like, it's a boring white crop top. No, my friend. Let's look just a little bit closer. Oh yes, that is an under corset. I am obsessed. This is from Alexander McQueen, okay? So that's the front. Look at the back. Look at the back. The details, okay? The little peekaboo happening. Now, you know me. When it comes to fashion and things, I am, let's go, simple with a twist, classic with a twist, something unexpected. And this was, all of that for me. White crop top, fine, great, a staple. But with a corset underneath, and I want to kind of show you what the underneath sort of looks like, because you do not have to do this with a bra, you know. I mean, you can do it with a bra, you can do it without a bra, because, you know, the crop top's going to cover you. Also, let me tell you, I can put this on by myself, but if you've got an assistant, all the better, right? Because you've got to sort of zip it up your back on yourself, and there's a sort of bra hook as well for you to do, so that everything is inside, is caged in. Excuse the tiny microphone situation, but there is nowhere to clip this on this top. She's kind of edgy. This is an edgy little look, isn't it? This is obviously if you don't want to, you want to like cover up the situation, she says, when having so much skin on show with her legs. But I'm just saying, you can do with a bigger jacket. However, should you want to get the party started, the back is just fantastic. Simple with a twist. This is how we live our lives. So I went for a size 40. This also does come in black, but I just liked the contrast of the white against the black. I think this is going to go great with jeans. Anything high-waisted, a shorter trouser, a skirt is going to really, really work with this. And again, I think it can be really easily dressed up or down. And that's what we want. We want the versatility. Okay, next one. A little bit of a rogue throw in here. A little bit of beauty. A little bit of Tom Ford Bitter Peach, ladies and gentlemen. Now, we know Tom Ford fragrances. We know that they're great. We know that they last on the skin. Okay, this girl is very unexpected. Okay, she's very spontaneous. At the drop of a hat, she might just book a flight tomorrow. You know, that is what this is giving, and whilst I am not that girl, I'm very much a planner, I do love smelling like that girl. It's earthy, but it's sweet. It's a good one, okay? So if you have the opportunity to smell, or you just trust my recommendations, this is a good one. I got the 30ml, and it's great quality. You don't need many spritzes. It's going to last you forever. I've got a Tom Ford Neroli Portofino that I've had for about 3 or 4 years, all right? Because you don't need much. I got 2 of these in 2 different colours, because as we are slowly but surely finding out, Cassie's summer uniform is shirt-short sets. Do you see it? Is it coming up on Yes, it is, okay? These are both from the Frankie Shop, and these are the Liu sets? Okay, so everything is to be bought separately. So you've got the Liu shirt and the shorts. This is in the colour Ice, and this is in the colour Tangerine. I thought, let's go both ends of the spectrum. Let's go neutral, and let's go a sodding summer pop, a summer popsicle, some may say. Now, what I love about this, I love the quality of the cotton, all of that. I love a good shirt set. It's going to be light on the body, all of this business. I also love the very small Frankie Shop details, if I may just demonstrate. So, do we see how here on the shorts you've got the little embroidered initials, and then on the shirt you've got that on the cuff. So that's on all of them. Sizing wise, so I went for an extra small shirt, and as we can see she's very oversized, okay? So size down on the shirt, and then I got a size small in the shorts. Did I? Yes, I did, and they're perfect. And the thing with these is that you can mix and match across them, right? And across other shirts and short sets that you have, because clearly I'm racking up quite a collection, we can do a little mix and match. If I wanted to do a top-to-toe monochrome moment, the ability is there. It's as easy as that. Mix and sodding match, my loves, okay? Cool easy, unexpected. I thought, let's do a neutral on the top, let's do business on the top, party on the bottom. There we go. Easy, simple. You can pop the cup, we can tuck both in. You know, I'm enjoying a half tuck at the moment. I'm into it. It's easy, it's light, and it's comfy. Speaking of a top to toe monochrome moment, that is also why I bought this little Dries Van Noten knitted bralette thing, because I thought, yes, but also, yes, okay? Especially when, because look, I'll wear the shirt tucked in, like done up as the top, into the short on a hot day, but if we're super hot, if we are in the 30 plus degrees, the hundreds, okay, for you Fahrenheiters, then I thought we're gonna have to do bra top and then we'll do shirt like as like a jackety sort of thing. And I just thought, what a pop, what a fun little pop. This is in a size small, and she will go with all of my sets. Okay, so the last thing is something that I actually tried on and kind of like fell in love with the last time I was in New York in like February and March. If we cast our minds back to that vlog, I tried on a Sakai jacket. It was in green, that I was like, oh, I'm not sure, blah, blah, blah. To be very honest with you, it has been playing on my mind since then. And I saw it in the black, and I was like, oh my gosh. For a colder summer night, for autumn moment, she's going to be fantastic. So it is this cropped jacket, right? It's got an elastic at the back so that you can, you know, sort of do as you please. There's like a little toggle. It's got these like cuts under the pits, so ventilation. I mean, I don't know why they've done that, but go off, sis. And I also like the fact that you've got like a satin mixed in, do you see? So it's like a really interesting, in general the cut is interesting, but then with the mix of the textures, I think it's going to look great. So this is a size 2, and it's going to be perfect. It's still going to be a bit oversized, and we're going to get the vibe. What is up, New York? I feel like this is a very New York jacket, okay? I love this. I love the colour, I love how it stands. Yeah, look at that. Look at this. It's the change in texture for me. I love how it like flares out at the back. I think it's great, especially with like, yeah, anything high-waisted, this is going to work. Remember to use my Farfetch code, it's on the screen once again, just to remind you. Let me know what you thought of my luxury haul. Let me know if you have a favourite piece that I bought. I'm going to leave a link to another video over here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are. And in the words of my father,
if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.